Hello there, fellow entrepreneurs and aspiring business owners. Today, we're diving into the world of low-cost business ideas with high profit potential. So, buckle up and let's get started. First up, we have the idea of becoming a freelance virtual assistant. In today's digital age, there's always a demand for skilled virtual assistants to help manage various tasks and projects. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can kickstart your own virtual assistant business. Next on the list is starting a photography business. Whether you specialize in capturing weddings, events, or stunning landscapes, photography is a lucrative industry that doesn't require a hefty financial investment to get started. All you need is some basic photography gear and a passion for capturing those perfect moments. Lastly, consider offering home cleaning services. This is an incredibly flexible business idea with low startup costs, so you can work on your own schedule and grow at your own pace. Plus, there will always be a market for clean homes, making this a sustaining source of income. So there you have it. 3 low-cost business ideas with high profit potential to inspire your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, the key to success isn't just in the ideas, but also in the execution. So go forth and build your dream business. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more great content like this. Until next time.